I've enjoyed the changes that it's made in me. Getting in touch with what, and placing words to what my emotions are, and then words to what my needs are, narrowing that down to what my highest needs are, and then dealing with those has helped me a lot. It's also helped me understand other people and being able to converse with them in a literate way, naming their feelings and naming their needs has brought some real connection in business and my personal life. As being self-employed my entire life, never working for anyone, in a small business, I was always able to terminate relationships and move on, to the next person, whether it was, construction workers or office workers. If it wasn't working for me, then we just move on. But that's the bigger your company gets, the more expensive proposition it is. But when it comes to key relationships, and now I have a partner, those relationships are not immediately, you just don't terminate them, and the value is working through them and working through those stress points of with your partner, with your wife, with your children, because those are key relationships and can't just be walked away from. Most people I know find their children and wives, husbands tend to challenge them. Being able to understand and not necessarily agree with actions that my wife or my children or business partner may do, but to connect with they're trying to meet a need with what they're doing and have some empathy for it, respectfully be able to tell them I don't agree with it, and converse and go through that without making them wrong. It keeps the temperature down and allows the conversation to continue to happen. I think as I grow in understanding and having some empathy for myself, that I'm able to do that. I'm able to fix it here and then project that to other people, to try to connect with them. It seems when I'm able to connect with someone that things flow, and flow is much better in my life when things flow than when I'm in conflict. Once you start blaming, then all the defenses come up and you lose any possibility of really affecting much with the person you're talking to. Everybody's in defensive mode. Starting with yourself, if you can determine that maybe you're only 10% of the problem, or maybe you're 20%. If you can fix that 20%, which you have the most control over, whatever's going on with you, if you can fix that, sometimes that creates the momentum for things to happen with the other person. Well, I encourage you to take on this challenge. It is a challenge to look inside and there's certainly, when you start looking inside yourself and you quit looking outside for change in your life, the possibility for change is greater, but you also have to not be fearful to look inside there and see where change needs to happen in yourself. So don't be scared, just go for it.